Disruptive innovation can create new markets and value networks. Sustainable travel practices are disrupting the traditional tourism market and benefiting the environment and local communities. Vagabond Wine Guy is a travel influencer who incorporates sustainable practices into his travels. Palawan Perfection is a website that supports and influences businesses who promote sustainable tourism practices. Both businesses are reducing their carbon footprint and supporting local communities. The future of sustainable travel is bright and will shape the tourism industry. Industry experts provide insights into the future of sustainable travel and its impact on the tourism industry. Join the movement and travel sustainably to make a positive impact on the environment and local communities.